This video tutorial I will cover how to reference the static methods and members using Spring expression language. Here I have defined a class address. It has two static fields, state and country. And it has get full address method, which is static method. Here I have defined a class employee. ID value will be set as 10, name value will be set as Peter, and here I am accessing static field state of address class. So state value will be assigned to employee state. State value is Karnataka. Here I am calling get full address method of address class. Get full address method is a static method. So the concatenator value of state and country will be assigned to employee full address property. This is a Spring configuration file. Here I have enabled auto component scanning for this package. Here I have defined a class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container and displaying that.